Good afternoon. This is Rodrigo Flores with Aesthetic Web Solutions, and I'm going to give you a demonstration on how to admin your website. So basically, the first thing you want to do is go to the admin link that I'm going to send you. It's just your website and then /admin to access the administration interface, and you'll be redirected to enter your username and password. I'm gonna actually do the changes for this demo on the local copy of your website so that I don't affect what's already live right now. So first thing, once you go into the administration, if you're logged in, you'll go directly into manage pages. But if you're logged out, you'll go into the username and password screen. So here, you can enter your username and password, which I'm also going to send you. If you can type your password. There we go. So now once you're into the website, you can see manage pages, manage menus, and manage users. To add a new page, you will have to simply go to manage pages, and inside that there's a very big button that says add a new page. You click on that, and then you can create a page, any page that you want. But that's not going to be enough. You will also have to add a new menu. So in this case, I'm using my local copy of your website, so the content is not up to date. So for example, here, say I wanted to create a concerts page, which is not on my local copy. And then you just want to type the title, and then this is the URL version of the title, so what's going to show up here. You can choose a parent if necessary, but there's no parent in this case. And then finally, you just double click this area to enter the content of your page. So here, I'm just gonna add some dummy content, like so. You also have the ability to add a new link. So for example, say I wanted this particular text to link to Google. All I have to do is highlight it, click on the anchor icon. That's gonna let me add a new link. I can just link to whatever page I want, or I can upload a file if I want to. So if I want to link to a PDF, I can just hit choose file, go to where my PDF is. Here I have a test PDF. I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna send it to the server, and now that it's in the server, it's gonna give me the link automatically. So if I hit OK, I can just say OK, and now this text is gonna be highlighted. So when I publish the page, you'll see that this particular text is gonna link to the PDF that I uploaded. The other thing I can do is add an image to be floated to the right. So for example, likewise, I have the ability to either browse the server to see what's already there or upload a file directly. So I'm gonna actually show you the file server here. Once I'm in, I'm gonna see the images that I already uploaded. Say I wanted to upload a new image, I can just hit upload. And again, if you didn't see that, upload is on the top left corner of the browser. If I hit upload, it's gonna open this browser window. I'm going to actually look for the file that I want to upload in my computer. So I just have a couple sample images here. I'm gonna hit open and it's gonna upload it. And once it's uploaded, I can just double click it to select it. I can change the size if I want to of the image. So say I just want it to be 200 pixels wide. I'm gonna make it flow to the right, and I'm gonna hit OK. So now the image is gonna be part of the page as well. After that, say I wanted my page to be just like this. I can add a subtitle if I want to. So subtitle. Here, for HTML reasons, it's usually a good practice to make this into a heading. So I'm just gonna select it and make it into a heading and save the changes. So now the page is gonna be there, but there's not gonna be a way to access the page just yet. To do that, I'm gonna have to add a new menu item to be able to upload the page. So in this case, I wanna add this link to the left navigation of, actually I'm gonna do it on the right side. So on the right menu, I'm gonna add a new link. Oh, and I did that by clicking on the plus button on the tools area right here. It's gonna automatically select the right menu. I'm gonna make it appear under, say, under venue. And this is just an example. This is not the way it actually is. So this is gonna be called concerts, and it's gonna link to the concerts page. So I can just select the page here. It's gonna generate the link here, and I can just create the menu item. So now under venue, you'll see that the concerts are listed. So that's gonna take us to our new page. So that's basically it when it comes to creating new pages. You can also create new users if you want to give other people the ability to log into your website. So to do that, we're gonna go back to the admin portion of the website, enter your username and password, and then we can go to manage users. And here you can see that I created a new user for you. But say I wanted to create a new user for my, imaginary friend Mike. I'm gonna give him a username Mike, a password which is just gonna be password for the sake of this example, and it's just on my local copy. And then his name is Mike, example. Phone number, email address, doesn't matter. We're just gonna use my other Gmail address, and then the phone number, whatever. So I'm just gonna add this new user, and now Mike is listed. And now if I log out and I log in with Mike's username and password, I should be able to do so if I can remember the password. But anyways, that's how you create a new user. You'll see, you can also, I want to show you that you can, once you're logged in, you can edit your pages as well. If you're in the administration view, you can edit your page by just going to the pencil tool. And here I can update this page if I want to. Also, if I'm logged in, you'll see that most pages except for home, all pages except for home have an edit link at the bottom of the content. And this only shows when you're logged into the website. So for example, say here I wanted to add a picture for Laura. I can just simply place the cursor where I want the picture to go. I can insert a new image, and like I did before, I can go browse server, upload an image, and I have another example image here. I'm going to open it, and I'm going to float it to the right as well. Additionally, you could link this image to any place you want. So I'm just going to link it to google.com. And then say OK. Now the image is going to be here. I can save my changes, and I can view the page. So you'll see that the image is here now. So now I did this on purpose. I can see that the image is too big for the page. I'm just gonna edit it. It's gonna take me right back into the edit mode. To edit the image properties, I can just double click it. Say I just wanted to, actually in this case, because it has a link, it's not letting me edit it, but I'm going to just add the image again. Because I already have it on my server, I can just simply click here, and to change the size, I can just change the proportions here. Say OK. Oh, I forgot to float it to the right. I'm gonna hit OK again, save my changes, and view the page. So now the image is, more or less the right size. I could even make it a little bit smaller if I want to. Like so. Hit OK. Oh. And I want the proportions to be kept proportional to each other for width and height. I'm gonna save the changes, and I'm gonna view the page. and now I actually like the way that looks. Obviously, this is just an example, and it's a really conflicting image for the example. But anyways, I hope you get the idea. Another feature that I want to show you is the PDFs themselves. I think I already uploaded one under the concerts test page. So this now links to my test PDF. So that's gonna be it for the demo for the administration of your website. I hope you find it useful. It's very self-intuitive once you get a little bit of practice um, using it. So if you have any more questions, please let me know. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as possible. So thanks again, and thanks for your patience. Have a great day and Happy New Year.